Hello, welcome to another video. Umut here. Today I'm going to work on my napkin journal. As you know, I create my napkin journals myself and I have a video where I show it step by step. This is mixed media paper, so it can take water and paint quite a lot nicely. And today I'm going to use this napkin, which is actually a background napkin. And I'm going to cover half of my page with it and create a design. Before you use your napkins, don't forget to remove the two backings that generally napkins have. It's a little bit difficult with the second layer, but keep going. It's good to remove them because then you can glue them down without any wrinkles. I'm just cutting half of this, ripping it. I also don't cut my napkins with scissors because then there's a hard edge that is hard to blend in. I'm using a matte medium to glue down my napkin. And I don't care if there are wrinkles and imperfect places, that's fine. It creates a nice texture, and I cover my napkin with also matte medium so that I can paint over it. It will be much easier, otherwise your other mediums will soak into the napkin. I'm going to use a couple of acrylic paints from DecoArt Americana. Use whatever you have at home to go with the colors that I see on the napkin. This is like a sand color and some of the colors on the napkin are this color as you see. I'm using my brush to cover the rest of the page with this color. It's quick and easy. I'm going to use my hand in these places where I want to cover the napkin and blend it into the page. As you see, it works pretty well. You won't have the edges so visible. And I'm using a stencil to go through that with some brown ink. I'm using Distress Vintage Photo. And this stencil is from 13 Arts, very old one. I'm using whatever I have in my stash anyway, and it doesn't matter, you can use whatever you have to give some texture and interest on your pages. These represent some splashes coming of paint, and I'm just using a finger dabber to go through the stencil here and there, just turning my stencil so that the shapes are coming from different directions to make it look more organic. And this is some fabric that I had in my stash again. I'm just pulling these strings to make it again and not look like it's cut. And I'm going to decorate the page using a bit of this. I forgot what you call this fabric. I know it very well, but sometimes it just doesn't come to my mind. Maybe it will later. I'm just pulling out a few to glue it on the other page to make a little contrast there. This glue is going to dry clear, so it's not a problem. You can also use matte medium, it doesn't matter. I'm just gluing it down, and on top of it I'm going to use other decorations. Here are a few butterflies. Again, I had in a pack in my stash. They are paper butterflies, and they come in different colors, so I selected a few that would go with this page, and I am again gluing it down on top of this fabric and also at the corner of the other page. And as you see, I'm creating a balance and some contrast on both pages with light and dark colors, and I am going around the edges of the butterflies to make them look more holistic and a little bit shaded, so again they look more organic and real, and they match each other. And after that I'm going to glue it down on the other page as well. I decided to do a few more of these splashes to fill the empty space that bothers me. And after that, I'm going to do some splashes on the other page with the same sand color, so that there is it's all unified. And after that, I'm going to give a little bit of border with a dark brown color. This is my pit brush marker from Faber-Castell, and it's walnut color. A little bit border. As you see, I'm not going inside the pages a lot, but a bit of border to give some definition. Let's go with the sentiment now. This is an old collection of stickers in my stash again, but the colors match, so I'm going to use these letters that I see on this sticker set. The sentiment is very simple: be happy. And with this page, I wish all of you happiness and joy in life, which is very important. And I'm going to go around these letters with a thin black pen so that they are more prominent, and also around these butterflies as well, so that they stand out from the background. With this, my page is ready. I hope you enjoyed the process. I think napkin journals are great for beginners to create short, fun and satisfying projects. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe or leave a comment if you like my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.